Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy, and today we have a very special collaboration with Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, and we're all supposed to be doing an ocean themed piece, whatever it is that we're doing. So we've got a bunch of artists involved. Please check out the playlist and catch up on any you may have missed, or use it to follow along. So I am going to actually try and do a couple of things that I've never done before. One, I want to do a wave swipe, and two, I want to use some interference pigments for my sky background. So I'm using all three from ColourArte. I have interference red, interference violet, interference gold, all from the Bling-It series. And I'm gonna put my pillow down. My pillow is the PPG Milti-Pro in Eggshell. Okay, so my background, I want to do a swipe with all three of these colors. So I'm going to put them in the order of gold, and these are quite thin. I just mixed up a bunch of mica powder with Aussie Floetrol, and that's it. And I'm just gonna do a swipe straight across. I have to flip it fast though. Okay, now I'm going to reload the palette knife to do my wave, and my wave is going to go on top here, and it's almost a radial swipe, but I'm going to go like that. I think I want to add a little bit more on my base over here. So my colors now. I have Amsterdam, my CA is Amsterdam Greenish Blue, and Atelier and Amsterdam 50/50 with titanium white and Aussie Floetrol. And then my colors are Artist Loft. Okay, I have to think about this. Artist Loft Turquoise. Then I have Arteza Sea Green and Cactus Green together. And then I have Arteza Turquoise, and then I have TLP, Whitehaven, and Sea Glass together. So those are my colors. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to put my CA down first. So I'm going to put my greenish blue. On here, and my CA is mixed at a ratio of about 2 to 1. 2 parts Aussie Floetrol, 1 part paint. That's really interesting. It just kind of blobbed right up. Don't know if I'm gonna have anything that remaining that looks any good. Oh well. All right, let's do this. Touching down. And swirling out. Oh, I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. A little scoop and drag. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, not bad. Not bad for my first wave. Just gonna spin very slowly so I can see how the paint's moving. Something's not quite right in there with that. Oh, it's the gold. The consistency of the gold that I put over it is pulling this down. Bummer. This here was so good. Alrighty, let's try this again. I'm just jumping in here to let you know that for the purpose of this video and the time frame that it's in, I do end up cutting out most of the spinning and fast forwarding some of the embellishments. Also during this time, I want to take the opportunity to thank Louise McKay, who was before me, of Louise McKay Art. And up after me is the lovely Taslima of Taslima Maya Art. So make sure you stick around and use that playlist and follow along. I feel like I have to do more here. All right, let me get you down. And here it is in all its glory, and look at all that shine. The background, you can see the purple, the red, and the gold for my kind of sunset vibes. And then the wave itself is just so super sparkly. Also want to remind you all that Taslima Maya is up next, so follow us along over to her.